Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to download and install Messenger on desktop for free. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open a browser and go to messenger.com/desktop. You can see download for Windows. Click on it. Download it. Now, I'm downloading the file. After download, open the setup file. Now installing Messenger. Waited patiently. It's finished installing. It's all done. You can make chats on desktop now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.